Hello friends, Karthik is back with the new fresh tutorials. So let's start learning. So today we are going to see how we can connect Oracle database from our Hybris application. So these are the steps to create an Oracle connection from Hybris application. So first one, you need to download Oracle database. In my case, I have downloaded Oracle 11G database. Second is download SQL Developer for ease. That is, SQL Developer is very easy to use and you can easily manage data in SQL Developer. Third, you need to create a new user in SQL command line. I will tell each one. Fourth, grant new user sysdb role, that is system database administrator role. Fifth, grant all permissions like CRUD operations for performing CRUD operation. Sixth, in SQL Developer, create a new connection using the user created above and test connection. Seventh, make sure the DB is up and running. You can use start database app for starting the DB and stop database for stopping the DB. Same. Eighth one is you need to put below properties in local.properties of config folder. So these are the properties like db.url, db.driver, db.username, db.password. I will tell each one. Then ninth step is do and build all followed by and initialization. Then after build is complete, initialization is complete, it will take considerable amount of time. So 10th step after that is start the Hybris server by giving Hybris server command, start command. Then 11th, we will try to access the storefront URL in the web browser. And 12th step and the ending step is we will check the database configuration from HAC. So now we are using SQL command line. So I'm creating a user. Create user Vivek, identified by password. You need to provide a password. So it is saying not connected. So first you need to be connected with the database with existing user. So I have already created Vivek. So I'm connecting Vivek as sysdb. So now it is connected. Now create user test, identified by password, user is created. So user is created, as you can see. So I'm connecting Vivek as sysdb. Now it's connected. Now I will grant all the permissions like sysdb to the test user which we created just now. Grant succeeded. Now another command is grant all privileges to test. Connection grant succeeded. So this is Oracle SQL Developer. You can see xe_Vivek is already created. So we will create a new connection. You can see XC underscore Vivek already created. So name you can give anything as you like. Database type Oracle. Username you have to give whatever we have created. New user. Password same as we have given previously. Role sysdba. You can save password also. Connection type basic. Host name localhost. Port 1521 default. SID XE. All are default. Now we will test. Connection is success. And I guess I have already connected, so I am not connecting. So we'll check. Okay, it's showing for connection. So I will put my password. Yeah, it is connected. So now it is connected. Now we will check for next step, that is local properties. So we have to change local property of config folder. We have to provide the below values like db.url, db.driver, username, password, and these are few other properties, max active, max idle, etc, etc. Now we will open platform command prompt. Now I will run set and env.bat for setting the end environment. Now we have to do and build all. So after some time, build will be successful. It must be successful, then only you can proceed further. If it is not success, then you need to check what is the error. So now end initialization after build is successful. So after again build successful, after initialization we need to start the server using Hybris server.bat space debug for debugging mode. So now we'll check for the URL. So here is our site, the P2B accelerator website. Now we'll check for HAC configuration for database, what it is showing now. So HAC/Hybris. I guess yeah, it is 404 because there is some URL issue. So we can see database. So you can see database name Oracle, user Vivek, DB version and all. It's changed. Previously it will by default HSQL DB was there. Now we have changed to Oracle. Now I am calculating table size. So you can see various table, whatever is present, it will give the number of rows in each table. So now you can check first the table in SQL Developer. So you can check. You can see the data. It will be somewhere. Just a minute. It will be in some tab. Yeah, it will be here. So data, you can see all the rows of a particular table in SQL Developer without query, without anything. You can directly see. Schema browser, then you have to select Vivek, your user, and tables. So thanks for watching my video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe for more such videos. See you then. Bye bye.